Hello, and welcome to our lesson on risk management. This segment will cover plan risk management. Initiation of the plan risk management process is recommended at the project's inception and should be finalized early in its life cycle. There might be instances where revisiting this process is necessary, such as during a major phase transition, significant project scope alterations, or if a subsequent evaluation reveals the need to modify the project risk management process's effectiveness. The plan risk management process involves establishing how risk management activities will be conducted for a project. Its primary advantage lies in ensuring that the extent, nature, and visibility of risk management align with the risks involved and the project's significance to the organization and stakeholders. This procedure is carried out either once or at predetermined milestones within the project. The plan risk management process can be impacted by various enterprise environmental factors, with overall risk thresholds set by the organization or key stakeholders being among them, and by organizational process assets. Organizational process assets influencing the plan risk management process encompass organizational risk policy. Risk categories are potentially organized into a risk breakdown structure, standardized definitions of risk concepts and terms, formats for risk statements, templates for the risk management plan, risk register, and risk report, defined roles and responsibilities, authority levels for decision-making, a repository of lessons learned from previous projects with similarities. Efficiently planning risk management is crucial for the success of any project. It involves strategically utilizing various tools and techniques to navigate uncertainties and proactively address potential challenges. In this context, expert judgment, data analysis, and well-structured meetings play pivotal roles. Engaging in risk management planning requires thoughtful consideration of tools and techniques that can effectively guide the project team. One such crucial tool is expert judgment, where insights are sought from individuals or groups possessing specialized knowledge. This includes a profound understanding of the organization's risk management approach, encompassing enterprise risk management where applicable. Furthermore, it involves tailoring risk management to align with the project's specific needs and gaining insight into the types of risks likely to be encountered within the project's domain. Another significant technique is data analysis, which goes beyond conventional methods. Specifically, stakeholder analysis becomes instrumental in determining the risk appetite of project stakeholders. This comprehensive approach ensures that the risk management plan is robust and aligned with key project stakeholders' expectations and preferences. Moreover, developing the risk management plan is a collaborative process that may unfold during the project kickoff meeting or a dedicated planning session. This involves a diverse group of participants, including the project manager, selected project team members, key stakeholders, and individuals responsible for overseeing the risk management process. External parties, such as customers, sellers, and regulators, may also be invited as needed. Facilitating the meetings is a skilled professional, a proficient facilitator, who ensures that participants remain focused on the task at hand. This individual aids in reaching a consensus on key aspects of the risk approach, addressing biases, and resolving any disagreements that may arise during the planning phase. In essence, the meetings serve as a pivotal platform for defining comprehensive plans for conducting risk management activities. The outcomes and decisions made in these collaborative sessions are then documented in the risk management plan, providing a clear roadmap for navigating uncertainties throughout the project's lifecycle. By structuring and detailing how risk management activities will be executed ensures a comprehensive approach to handling risks throughout the project lifecycle. One of the key results of the plan risk management process is the risk management plan, which serves as the blueprint for orchestrating risk management activities. The risk management plan is the guiding document detailing the structured execution of risk management activities. Comprehensive and dynamic, the plan encompasses several critical elements. Risk strategy outlines the general approach to managing risk for the specific project, providing a strategic foundation. Methodology defines specific approaches, tools, and data sources employed for executing risk management throughout the project. Roles and responsibilities. Clearly define lead, support, and risk management team members for each activity, clarifying their distinct responsibilities. Funding. Identifies necessary funds for project risk management activities, establishing protocols for applying contingency and management reserves. Timing. Specifies when and how often project risk management processes will be conducted throughout the project lifecycle, seamlessly integrating these activities into the project schedule. Risk categories. Provides a mechanism for grouping individual project risks, often facilitated by a risk breakdown structure, RBS. This hierarchical representation aids the project team in identifying and categorizing risks effectively. Stakeholder. Risk appetite. Records the risk appetites of key stakeholders, expressed as measurable risk thresholds around each project objective. These thresholds shape the acceptable level of overall project risk exposure. Definitions of risk probability and impacts. Tailored definitions specific to the project context, reflecting the risk appetite and thresholds of the organization and key stakeholders. Probability and impact matrix. Prioritizes risks using predefined rules. Opportunities and threats are represented using positive and negative impact definitions, respectively. Reporting formats. Outlines how the results of the project risk management process will be documented, analyzed, and communicated. Defines the content and format of the risk register, risk report, and other required outputs. Tracking. Documents how risk activities will be recorded and audited, ensuring transparency and accountability throughout the risk management processes. As the risk management plan takes shape, it structures risk handling strategies and fosters a proactive and informed approach, positioning the project for success in the face of uncertainties. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall discuss Identify Risks, Part 1. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next segment.